Welcome back to my review of the LEGO Ideas 21103, the DeLorean Time Machine. And I'm going to start today with the original build. So this is the DeLorean as was featured in the first Back to the Future film. And I'm going to start with the minifigure selection first. So first we got a nicely printed Marty McFly with a skateboard. Pretty cool. I like the design of the life preserver and the shirt that's underneath the life preserver. I think that's a really neat design. Even got some printing on the back of it as well, that detail. Also we got a Doc Brown, fully accentuated, and both figures came with alternate faces. I love the print detail on the front of the torso of Doc Brown, as well as the little radiation symbol on the back, because this is the suit he's wearing at the beginning of the movie when he, got shot. Moving on to the model itself, here it is. And having now rebuilt this after having originally built it when it came out, I can honestly say I'm a little underwhelmed. And this is my opinion. And if you have this set and you have a different opinion of mine, please don't take my word as gospel. Everyone has their own opinions about Lego sets. But this one to me just felt a little underwhelming. I mean, yeah, you get $35 and you got about 400 parts, and you do get 2 alternate builds for the DeLorean as well. But I gotta say, as far as this one goes, it's it's kind of small, not very detailed, although there's some details I do like about this. First of all, not a sticker to be found in the entire set. Everything that's that would be a sticker element is completely printed. That goes for the license plate on the back, the out of time one, as well as the interior, where you get a very nice printed flux capacitor, and the time circuits, they're also right there. Those are all printed parts. One feature I do think that was really cool that they included was the gull wing doors that DeLoreans, were made famous for. I think it's a really cool design. Talking about some of the negatives about this, and the big one for me honestly comes on the underside. Okay, so right here on the edge of the middle of the car is a simple 1x1 plate with a clip that where you I'm not sure what that's called. It's not a clip, but it's a rounded part right here, and the clip right here too. They come off very easily. They're holding the hoses in place, and they tend to pop off very easily, especially if you're messing with this bottom part of the vehicle, which I was in the process of this build. So I found that kind of annoying to deal with at times. Like I said, not an overall horrible set, definitely not one of my top ones, especially this original build of the set. I have already built the other ones for the channel. You'll see those videos coming out soon on that one. Pretty basic design. I'm kind of wanting to get the larger model. I don't actually have that one in my collection yet. I'd like to get that one and build that and see how that compares to this one. If I ever do get my hands on that, I will review it and I'll compare this one to that when that time comes. So that concludes my review of the 1985 DeLorean. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where I'll be reviewing the 2015 model of the DeLorean. So that does it for today. Keep on building. Bye.